It's me again. What's going on, people? Um, Wherever you may be out there, it's a little expansion upon just what I say. So, you listening before, you know what I'm saying? Like, keep listening because, if you got any, positive type of feedback as far as, you know what I'm saying, just anything in general. I mean, I take corrective criticism, but, as you see, there's people on there that have commented on my videos. And if they come with respect, I come back with respect. So just get at me. But right now, real quick, it's gonna be about licenses and registration. It's a very simple thing. Very simple thing. Everybody gets 16, you get your driver's license. When you're 15, you get your learner's permit and everything. And then in order for you to use your car, you gotta get a registration. All right. Well, okay. Think about it. If if you want to use your property that you bought, the car, if you want to use it, you have to have a license and you have to have registration, right? So license simply means permission in Black's Law Dictionary. Matter of fact, I got it over here somewhere. Yeah, Black's Law Dictionary, right? So we're gonna go into, I went too far. Alright. License. A permission. Right? Permission. License. Let's see if I can make it look better. That's ugly. Alright. Oh well. You can see it. License, permission. Okay, now. They're saying that in order for you to be able to use your movable property called your car, you have to get permission from the state to use it. That's what they're effectively saying by making it quote unquote lawful for you to have a license to operate your motor vehicle. You have to have permission from the state. So the state says that you can buy a car, you just can't use it. So they're saying that you don't have the right to dispose of your property how you choose. Okay, that's the one thing. And then the second thing about the registration, you're publicly recording your property. You're making your private property public property, which is why they make you put the license plate on it, license or your permission plate, put it on the back, and it has the state's name on it. I mean, that's the state's car. That's why they could take your car. You know what I'm saying? And then sell it in a public auction. Even though it's private property, you bought it, you paid for it, it's yours. But you've publicly recorded it, so it's not yours. It's the public's. So yeah. So I mean, and like I said, if my man won a case, driving while suspended, speeding, you know, no license, he did not pay a dime to the state. You know what I'm saying? Simply because, you know, kind of found the right things to say to him, I guess. We said a lot of other stuff, and they just looked at us like we was crazy. But the last few, the last few months, about 5, 6 months, have been kind of gratifying. You know. Yeah. So the full breakdown is the state denies you your private property and your right to exercise that private property. They make you turn it into public property in order for you to use it. Otherwise, it's quote unquote unlawful. When the Constitution say it's supposed to be the supreme law. You know what I'm saying? And the Constitution say you got the right to property and the right to, pursue the happiness and everything is good. So, I mean, like I said, that stuff sounds corny as hell when you say it out loud, and it's like, cause certain people that say it make it sound dumb as hell. But I mean, it's real and it is what it is. You know, so yeah, license, registration, ridiculous. And then they make you buy insurance. You know, force you into contract with all these different people. When there's a Supreme Court ruling, I believe it's Murdoch versus Pennsylvania, where the state cannot sanction, somebody who for their right to somebody who's exercising their right. You can't put a charge on somebody's exercising of a right. That's what it is. You know, no charge. So you made me pay a licensing fee, made me get wedding licenses. I gotta get permission from the state to get married. What? Who is the state? You sue the state claimed to not be a person. So how is the state going to be offended by anything? How is the state going to have any stake in anything when they claim to not be a person liable to sue if you try to sue the state? But whose name is always on the top when the citizens and the people are the defendants? It'll be the state of Indiana, the state of such and such, blah blah blah, versus the people. You know. So yeah, they claim to not be a person just to keep it 100. You know, and they find their protection with the Constitution, but that's a whole other. It's ridiculous. I mean, the way it's set up and the things that they do, it's like I'm tired, all the way tired, and people need to really, 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 really think about, whoever watches this need to think about, like, who benefits off of everything. And you'll know why things are the way they are. And so, yeah. So, thank y'all for listening, whoever did. Like I said, any, constructive criticism, feedback is always appreciated. Um, Peace.